How to delete messages on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete messages on Pinterest. Well, let's get straight into the video. First things first, one of the most asked question, can you delete messages on Pinterest? Well, unfortunately you can't. You can't directly delete individual messages or entire conversations on Pinterest. Pinterest itself doesn't give you any option to do so. Instead, what you can do is you can hide the conversation from your main inbox. So you want to open up Pinterest, and here you want to head into messages by tapping on the message tab at the bottom. Then you can go ahead and open up certain text, right? Then once you have opened up, you want to tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen and select hide conversations option from the menu. So you will be able to hide the conversation from your main message box, but you won't be able to delete the message. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.